Hello everybody, so today I'm going to teach you how to create the 4-strand braid. It's really simple to do, so without further ado I'll show you on my model Ingrid. So first of all you want to part your hair into, I'll bring it a little bit closer so you can see hopefully, and then just section the hair into 4 sections. You can do them as thick as you want, like a normal plait. I usually make them quite thick so that they stand out. Right, so you go over, under, under, over, over, under, under, over, over, under, under, over, over, under. So keep saying that to yourself and you'll soon kind of get the hang of it. So again, go under, over, over, under, under, over, over, under. Hopefully that's clear for you to see, like from here. And then after that, just secure it with like a hair elastic. So after you've done it, you can kind of just like stretch it out. Sometimes you don't have to. It looks quite pretty like that and you can do more of them. But I sometimes just like to kind of like stretch it out a little bit. Spread the plait out. You could do anything with it. I mean, you could do like hair. You keep doing these plaits so that you combine like lots of them and do it into a really cool style like that. You could do it in like a half up, half down style. There's so much you can do with these plaits, and it's once you get the hang of how to do it, you can do whatever really. Get creative, but hopefully that helped, and hopefully you'll be able to create that at home. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Leave in the comments of any styles you'd like me to do, and give this video a like if you liked it. Everybody stay safe, and I'll see you very soon.